Hello students, this is again Shivam Misra, starting ITF, topic number 2. In the last lecture we studied about the topic number 2. In the last lecture we studied about the graph of sine inverse x. Now we will study about the graph of cos inverse x. Before that I must remind you, if we have a function fx equal to cos x, we know that domain of the function, domain of cos x is R, means real number, and the range of cos x equals to -1 to 1 in a closed interval. These all things we will study in class 11th. Now, as per cos inverse x, graph of cos x, as per graph of cos x, we already know that the graph of cos x moves like this, where this value is already, we know, 1, and this value is -1. Here it comes 0 degree, and here it is pi by 2, here it is again pi, here it is 3 pi by 2. Similarly, this side we can consider minus pi by 2, minus pi, and minus 3 pi by 2. In case of cos inverse x, I have already mentioned you that the x-axis act as a y-axis and the y-axis act as a x-axis. The graph becomes just like this, that it is started from this and went like this. Here it will be again pi by 2, and here -1, here it will be 1, and this will be pi. Similarly, this side we considered, here it is minus pi by 2, and here it will be minus pi. So the domain of the function, domain of cos inverse x will be -1 to 1, -1 to 1, and the range of cos inverse x will be 0 to pi in a closed interval. The range will be 0 to pi, and the domain will be -1 to 1. In case of cos inverse x, the graph will be like this. The graph will move from pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. It will be like this in y-axis, and the function cos x has the graph like this, moves on x-axis. It is the domain of R and range of -1 to 1 when fx is a cos x, and when fx equal to cos inverse x, fx equals to cos inverse x, it acts like this. In the next lecture again we will study about the function of tan inverse x. Thank you.